Hello children. Today let us discuss about volumes of solids. So in this video we'll be discussing about volume of cuboid, cube and a cylinder. First let us know what is volume. So we can see this is a two-dimensional shape. It occupies some space when it is placed on a plane. The space a two-dimensional figure occupies is called as its area. And we can see this is a three-dimensional shape. And even it also occupies some space, but its entire surface cannot lie on the plane at once. That means if you place it on a plane, you can see that the bottom face will be placed on the plane but not the top face. So that means its entire surface cannot lie on the plane at once. Then the space occupied by a three-dimensional shape is called as its volume. And the amount of space contained within the three-dimensional shape is called as its volume. Simply we can tell that the amount of space contained inside the object three-dimensional shape is called as its volume. So this is a cuboid. Length, breadth and height. So it's a three-dimensional shape and the space it occupies is called as its volume. And as there are three dimensions, its volume also is measured in three dimensions. Whereas if you take a two-dimensional shape, a rectangular sheet of paper, the space it occupies is called as its area. So the units for area will be length into breadth. So that means we can measure area in two dimensions. Whereas coming to volume, the three-dimensional shape occupies some space and that space is called as volume. So if we take the example as a cuboid, so what are the dimensions of the cuboid? Length, breadth and height. That means three dimensions are needed to find the volume. So as three dimensions are needed to find out the volume, its volume is also measured in three dimensions. So therefore, the standard unit for measuring the volume is cubic units. So if we take area, it is centimeter square or meter square. If we consider volume, as we are considering three dimensions, it will be centimeter cube or meter cube. Let's understand the concept of volume more clearly with a visual example. If you see here, there is a jar of water. In that we are placing a cube. It's completely immersed in the water. You can see there, as the cube is placed inside the water, there is some increase in the level of water. So why did the level of water increase? Because we placed the cube inside the water. So as the cube is placed inside the water, the level of the water increases. That means some space is occupied by that cube in the water, which causes the water level to increase. So that increase in the level of water is called as the volume occupied by that cube. As the cube is immersed, the level of water increased. So the space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called as its volume. Thank you.